Hello and welcome to this mini-series 8 different ways of writing the alphabet. My name is Patrizia, I'm a stationery designer and calligrapher based in Switzerland, and I'm so happy you're here with me in this series. I'm going to show you how to write these 8 different ways with my oblique pen and my ink in real time, so you can see exactly how long it takes me and you can also follow along. If you never ever tried to write with an oblique pen, you can definitely grab my tracing worksheet. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this series and you give a thumbs up and stick around because there, the rest of the alphabet to come. Bye!